subscribers, they'll tell how you can easily fix your problem on your Instagram when Instagram not loading pictures. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here airplane mode, just turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn off. So after you can turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn on, off and turn on again your mobile data or cellular data. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can fix it in another way. So just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and just if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel with like, and goodbye.